flour. And with clean hands, we're gonna mix, incorporate the butter and the flour. So the shortening I'm gonna use is pork base. So it's this. I'll use this much. It's not a lot. Just incorporate it well in the butter, in the flour and butter. So for this, you wouldn't need much water, just a bit. So we're gonna pop this in the fridge, maybe until you're ready to use it. Half an hour minimum, I guess. So we'll see. We will roll it out, and then I'll show you how to fill it.
So I prefer to break my dough into tiny balls to make my pine tart. For me, it is much more easier with the small dough to roll it out to get the shape. Okay, so here I'm rolling it out to get the size and the thickness that I want from the dough, and then I will be filling it with the pine jam that I made.
That is a little bit of yellow coloring in there. You don't need a lot, just a little bit.
All my Guyanese family. If you come from country or in GT, they can never divide. We one Guyana, one Guyana. We gotta stand together, 6 different culture, they can never divide. We one Guyana, one Guyana. If you come from country or in GT, they can never divide. We one Guyana, one Guyana. We gotta stand together, 6 different culture, they can never divide. We one Guyana, one Guyana. Seven curry make me strong. Cocoa price is the mood. Egg ball is the best. I will love me Guyanese food. So pass me a plate or bring a nice cane juice. I will always love this place. Guyana will
Hello?
always choose. If you come from country or in GT, they can never divide. We one Guyana.